Hey, in this tutorial, you'll learn how to set yourself up for success with Picmonic custom playlists. Making a playlist is incredibly easy. Let's say I'm studying pharm, and next week I have a test in cardio, and I really want to nail down those antihypertensives. So I'll just click the three-dot more menu and make a new playlist. Make sure to name it something easy to find. Now I really want to remember why and how these drugs work, so I'm going to add in some fundamentals by finding that more menu and adding them in. You can literally add anything from the Picmonic app to your playlists, from Picmonics to pathways to even your own creations. To add in those creations, just go to My Picmonics and find that three-dot more menu, and we'll throw them into our new playlist. You can easily change the order of your playlist by going into the playlist and dragging and dropping each Picmonic into the desired order. And if you want to delete one, just click on the More menu and delete it. Now you're all set to learn, quiz, and filter your spaced repetition on what you need to know most. You can do your classmates a big ol' solid by sharing your playlist, whether by email, shareable link that you can post anywhere, or to your entire school. Now, one last thing. With all these playlists flying around, it can get a little convoluted. That's why we made it so you can easily search your playlist in the Spotlight search. Just make sure you name it something you're going to remember. Dates and classes help out a lot. In any case, rest assured that Picmonic is here to help you do more in less time. So, until next time, study less, remember more.